In today's short video, I'm going to talk about how to use the 1-3-5 rule to help you prioritize and manage your daily workflow. The 1-3-5 rule provides a simple way to balance your important, high-level tasks with the more mundane, smaller tasks that still do need to get done. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I'm Sara Stilleke. I'm a scientist, and my channel is all about how to level up to become more productive and successful. So if that's something you're looking for, please subscribe to my channel because I release new videos every Tuesday and Friday. To begin, what exactly is the 1-3-5 rule? Basically, at the beginning of each day, you will make a list of the things that you're committing to accomplish that day. These will be 1 major task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 small tasks. Sounds simple enough. Let's take a quick look at why this rule can help you be more effective and efficient with your day. The first reason is that we often tend to overestimate the amount of things we can get done in a day. Each item on our to-do list requires not only our time, but also our mental focus and energy. If we spend all day working on various big, important projects that all require an abundance of creative energy, we'll quickly become burnt out, and the quality of our creative thinking will begin to suffer. By breaking down your to-do list to focus on only 1 major task, 3 medium ones, and 5 small ones, we can ensure that we have sufficient time and mental energy to still do a great job on our major task and still remain productive while getting smaller things done. Here's an example of how this would play out in real life. Here's what my 1-3-5 list might look like for the day. For my 1 big task, I will meet with 1 potential new customer to deliver a sales presentation. For my 3 medium tasks, I will create 2 quotes to send out to customers, finish responding to my admin emails, and complete my required HR training course. For my 5 small tasks, I will review my schedule for tomorrow, water the plants in my office, empty the trash, schedule a meeting with my boss, and make a reservation for my client dinner tomorrow night. These are all professional examples, but you can see that the resulting list is a nice blend of projects that require intense focus, things that move projects forward, and lower intensity administrative tasks. When I tested out the 1-3-5 rule myself, I was pleasantly surprised to discover that it helps me focus on both higher level, longer term tasks, as well as lower level, more immediate tasks. It also helped me balance my energy. After my big client meeting, I was feeling a bit mentally drained, so having a pre-made list of 5 easy wins, like watering the plants, allowed me to continue to be productive and in the zone, while also taking a much-needed mental break. Another benefit of the 1-3-5 rule is that it helped me finally prioritize the 1,000 things on my to-do list, so that I was able to focus better during the day without feeling overwhelmed by having too many things to do. By making decisions about what to do ahead of time, I saved myself that horrible feeling of looking at a giant to-do list, wondering what to do next, and giving up and scrolling through Instagram. It definitely helped me prioritize and be more focused. Now, how can you make the most out of this technique for yourself? First, take out your to-do list and sort it into 3 categories: big tasks, medium tasks, and small tasks. Next, decide which tasks from each category you're going to commit to each day. Start your day with the big task in order to take advantage of your refreshed brain and high levels of natural creativity. Once that's done, prioritize the medium tasks and sprinkle in the small tasks as you see fit throughout the day. It's really super simple. I actually do like that though. I've tested out tons of different productivity hacks, frameworks, and tools, and have found that the most simple ones are usually the most effective. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you found this short video helpful and are inspired to test out the 1-3-5 rule for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you tried it, and let me know what you thought. If you enjoyed this video, please take a second to subscribe so I can keep making more content like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.